Do you know that placing or clipping an image inside a shape in Affinity is very simple? So in order to place an image in a shape in Affinity, first of all, let's create a shape. Let's click on the shape tool, which is the square star tool, and let me create a shape by clicking and dragging on the canvas. Now this is our shape. So let's just center a line by going here and aligning it to center like so. And now you can see that on the layers panel, there are two layers. One is the shape layer, which is the square star, and the other is the photo layer, which we already have placed on the image or on the canvas. So in order to place the image inside a shape or clip the image inside the shape, all we have to do is select the image layer and drag it inside the square star shape. And now you can see that there's a live preview that Affinity is showing on how it looks if we place the image inside the shape. And let's release the mouse and drop that image inside the square star shape. And now you can see that our image is placed or clipped inside this square star shape. So here, one thing you should notice here is that as soon as we place that image inside the shape, the layer of the image just falls back or enters inside the square star shape, which is a representation that it has been clipped or placed inside the shape. So one thing we should notice here is that Affinity provides this particular icon on every layer indicating the type of the layer that is placed or that is included in the layers panel. So this is how we can place an image inside a shape in Affinity. So what about getting the image out of the shape from that particular shape? So in order to take the image out of that particular shape, then we can simply click on the image and just drag and drop it outside that particular image like so. So you can now see that the image has been unclipped or placed outside the shape. So this is how you can unclip or place the image outside of the shape in Affinity. So I think you find these methods very simple as compared to how it was done in other applications. So if you find this video helpful, please press the like button and also press the subscribe button in order to know about more tips and tricks in the future videos related to Affinity. Thank you again for watching the video.